If you are a homeowner in Walnut Creek, California, or planning to become one, I'm going to be sharing an update on the latest real estate market trends from December 2023. There are several key metrics that both buyers and sellers should pay attention to in order to make informed decisions, so be sure to watch until the end. Alright, overall, from a high-level perspective, in December there was 0.67 months of supply available for single-family homes, which is down by 33% from last month and down by 4.3% compared to December 2022. So it's a pretty tight market. As for condos and townhomes, there was 1 month's supply of inventory, which is down by 34.6% from last month, but up by 49% compared to December 2022. Even though it's a significant increase, the inventory is still very low compared to the number of buyers in the market. As a refresher, 4 to 6 months of inventory indicates a more balanced market. Less than 4 months means there is not a lot of inventory available, which can drive prices up. And more than 6 months of inventory means there is lots of properties available for sale, and this can drive prices down. Next, let's look at the median sold price. This metric represents the middle point of all the sold prices in the market and provides a snapshot of the overall market value. This metric helps both buyers and sellers set expectation regarding property values. So the median sold price for single-family home in December in Walnut Creek was $1.4 million. That price is down by 4% versus last month and down by 2% this time last year. As for condos and townhomes, the median sold price was $800,000. That's up by 20% from last month and up by 15% compared to December 2022. Okay, moving on. In December, we had 26 single-family homes sold versus 29 homes in November, and 19 condos and townhomes sold versus 20 in November. The list to sold price ratio is a metric that compares the final sale price of property to its initial list price. The average list to sold price ratio for single-family homes was 101.6% in December. That simply means that properties were selling for slightly more than the list price. Compared to last month, this number is up by 1.4% and up by 1.2% compared to December 2022. As for condos and townhomes, the average list to sold price ratio was 100.1%. That is slightly down by 0.2% from last month and down by 0.1% compared to this time last year. This simply tells us that buyers are prepared to pay a little extra to secure property, while sellers have an opportunity to receive full or above asking price. Now, you might be wondering how long it's taking for properties to sell. On average, in December in Walnut Creek, it took 19 days for single-family homes to sell compared to 13 days last month. This time last year, it was taking 15 days to sell. As for condos and townhomes, the median days on the market was 20 days in December and 16 days last month and 15 days this time last year. So overall, homes are selling relatively quickly, indicating a high level of demand. Keep in mind that days on the market will vary on the property condition, list price, location, timing, interest rates, and of course other factors. Okay, let's talk about interest rates. If you're thinking about buying real estate in the near future, you undoubtedly have been following interest rates and have noticed that they have been coming down. At the time of this recording, the rates are ranging between 4.9% and 6.1%, depending if you're going fixed or variable and if you're getting financing through a bank or an alternative lender. So in summary, looking at December market statistics, the low month supply of inventory and the high list to sold price ratio suggest a market with strong demand and competition among buyers. The low median days on the market suggest that homes are selling relatively quickly, while the high median sold price indicates a market catering to higher end properties. The recent drop in interest rates encouraged some sellers to list their properties and buyers to make their move, taking advantage of the opportunity to secure a property with good rates. So the bottom line is, whether you're buying or selling, your situation is unique to you, and a general market update should be taken with a grain of salt. If you want an accurate market analysis for your home, or if you're thinking of buying, you can either request a free no obligation market evaluation with me or book a call with me to have a conversation about your options. If that would be helpful, you can find my contact information in the description below. Otherwise, feel free to check out my other videos, and I'll be back next month with an updated report.